Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to print Expensify report. By the end you'll know exactly where to go and which buttons to click so you can get a clean, professional printout or a PDF copy of your expense report. Start by opening New Expensify in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, look to the left side of the page for the navigation panel. Find the account option there. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list, then click Account to open your account settings. Inside Account, look for the Troubleshoot section. We're going here because the print option we need is currently available in the Classic interface. Click Troubleshoot, and then choose Switch to Expensify Classic. Don't worry, this doesn't change any data, it just switches the view. You can always switch back later. When the Classic interface loads, head straight to the Reports area. This is where all your reports are listed. You'll see them organized by name, date, and status. Click the report you want to print. In our example, we're opening a sample report, but you should select the one you actually need. With the report open, look to the top right of the page and click Details. This expands a menu of actions specific to the report. From that menu, select Print Report. This triggers your browser's print preview. In the print preview window, choose your printer or pick Save as PDF if you want a digital copy. Take a moment to review what's on the page. If your report includes receipts or long notes, consider setting the layout to portrait or landscape based on what looks best. You can also adjust scale or margins so nothing gets cut off, and enable background graphics if your organization's template uses them. When everything looks good, click Print to finish. That's it. You've successfully printed your Expensify report. Quick recap. Open New Expensify, go to Account, use Troubleshoot to switch to Expensify Classic, open Reports, select your report, click Details, choose Print Report, and confirm the print from your browser. If you don't immediately see the report you need, double-check the Reports page for filters or sorting that might hide it. And if your print preview looks off, try a different layout or scale setting in the preview window before printing. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need a hard copy or a PDF of your expenses, and you'll have a polished report ready to share in just a few clicks.